Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to fix data internet problem in Oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, scroll up and go to the setting icon. Here you will see, so click on the setting icon. Now you will see many options here. Scroll up some more and you have to click on the additional setting. After that you will see many more options in that, so you have to move up and click on the backup and reset option, then click on erase all data, then reset system setting, then click on that, again click on that. You will see restoring is in processing, so wait for restored. Here you will see system setting have been restored. So in this way data internet problem is fixed in your mobile phone in that way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.